Welcome to this comprehensive guide on blockchain and the Internet of Things. Today, we explore how distributed ledger technology is revolutionizing the way we manage connected devices. By combining blockchain's security features with IoT's connectivity, we can create systems that are more secure, transparent, and efficient. This presentation will help you understand how these two powerful technologies work together to solve critical challenges in device management and data integrity. The Internet of Things, or IoT, refers to the vast network of physical devices embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity capabilities. These devices can collect data, communicate with each other, and perform actions without requiring human intervention. Common examples include smart home devices like thermostats and security cameras, wearable fitness trackers, industrial sensors that monitor manufacturing processes, and connected vehicles. The IoT ecosystem is rapidly expanding, with billions of devices already connected worldwide and many more coming online every day. Traditional IoT systems face several critical challenges. First, centralized control creates single points of failure, making entire networks vulnerable to attacks or system outages. Second, many IoT devices lack robust security measures, leaving them exposed to hacking and unauthorized access. Third, ensuring data integrity is difficult because there's no reliable way to verify that information hasn't been tampered with during transmission or storage. Finally, scalability becomes a major problem as central servers struggle to handle the massive volume of data generated by billions of connected devices. These limitations highlight the urgent need for better solutions. Blockchain is a revolutionary technology that functions as a distributed, immutable ledger. Think of it as a digital record book that's shared across multiple computers, making it nearly impossible to alter, hack, or manipulate. The key features that make blockchain special are decentralization, meaning no single entity controls the entire network; immutability, which ensures that once data is recorded, it cannot be changed; and transparency, allowing all authorized participants to view the complete transaction history. These characteristics make blockchain an ideal solution for securing IoT networks. Blockchain brings transformative benefits to IoT systems. Enhanced security is achieved through cryptographic encryption that protects device identities and communications from unauthorized access. Data integrity is guaranteed because all records are tamper-proof, ensuring authenticity and preventing unauthorized modifications. Decentralization eliminates single points of failure and reduces dependency on central authorities, making systems more resilient. Additionally, blockchain provides trust and transparency by allowing all network participants to independently verify transactions and device interactions. Together, these benefits create a more robust and reliable IoT ecosystem. Decentralized device management represents a paradigm shift in how IoT networks operate. Key features include peer-to-peer device communication, where devices interact directly without intermediaries; autonomous identity verification using cryptographic signatures; distributed consensus mechanisms that validate transactions across the network; smart contract automation that executes predefined rules without manual intervention; and strong cryptographic device authentication. Each device receives a unique cryptographic identity stored on the blockchain. All interactions are recorded as immutable transactions, and smart contracts automatically execute actions based on predetermined conditions. This approach creates a self-managing, secure network of devices. The integration process follows 4 essential steps. First, device registration occurs when IoT devices are added to the blockchain network with unique digital identities. Second, during data collection, devices gather sensor information and create cryptographically signed transactions to ensure authenticity. Third, consensus verification takes place as network nodes validate these transactions using established consensus algorithms. Finally, permanent storage happens when verified data is recorded in the distributed ledger, where it remains immutable and accessible. This systematic process ensures that every piece of data from IoT devices is secure, verifiable, and permanently documented. Blockchain-enabled IoT is already transforming multiple industries. In supply chain management, companies track products from manufacturing through delivery with immutable records of location, temperature, and handling conditions. Healthcare providers use it to securely store patient data from wearable devices while maintaining privacy and ensuring data integrity. Smart energy grids enable peer-to-peer energy trading where consumers can buy and sell electricity directly, with automated billing handled by smart contracts. Smart cities leverage this technology to manage traffic lights, parking systems, and waste management with transparent and secure operations. These applications demonstrate the practical value of combining blockchain with IoT. Despite its promise, blockchain-IoT integration faces several challenges. Scalability remains a concern because processing millions of IoT transactions requires highly efficient blockchain protocols. Energy consumption is significant, as some consensus mechanisms require substantial power that low-power IoT devices cannot provide. Storage limitations affect IoT devices that have minimal capacity for blockchain data and operations. The lack of standardization means there are no universal protocols for blockchain IoT integration yet. Implementation costs can be substantial, requiring significant initial investment in infrastructure and setup. Finally, organizations need skilled professionals with expertise in both blockchain and IoT technologies. Addressing these challenges is crucial for widespread adoption. The future of blockchain and IoT is incredibly promising. The convergence of these technologies is creating a new paradigm for secure, transparent, and autonomous device ecosystems that will fundamentally transform how we interact with technology. Looking ahead, we can expect advanced artificial intelligence integration that will enable even smarter automation and decision-making. Global interoperability standards will emerge, making it easier for different systems to work together seamlessly. More efficient consensus protocols will be developed to address current scalability and energy consumption concerns. As these technologies mature and evolve, they will unlock new possibilities we can only begin to imagine today. Thank you for watching this presentation on blockchain and IoT.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.